Now,
line AB
uh,
50 mm long,
AB is given, that is true length. How much?
50 mm,
55 mm long. Right. Next,
inclined at a 60 degree to HP,
inclined to HP at an angle of
60 degree,
60 degree. So this is nothing but theta. Fine. Next,
and 30 degree to the VP,
30 degree to VP. It is denoted by phi 30 degree. Fine. Next,
which A is 50 mm above the HP,
and A is 15 mm above the HP, arrow upward dash.
15
Fine.
mm in front of VP.
And 15 mm in front of VP. Fine. Next,
Draw is projection in 3 views.
draw is projection in three views. Three view means front view, top view, side view. Now,
Find angle made by front view and find angle made by top view.
so front view angle it is denoted by alpha and top view angle is denoted by beta. And what they want? They want front view and top view. Now next solution is, when I draw reference line, should I move for front view or top view? Front view and top view. Now which side view you want? Right hand side view. Okay. So vertical plane, horizontal plane. On vertical plane, which view is occurs? Top view. Right. Now next is draw vertical front projector. Now A position is already given above HP. How much? 15 mm A dash, and in front of VP how much? 15 mm. So extension line, dimension line. So this is 15 mm. And what about this above HP? Again 15 mm. Fine. Now draw horizontal line from A point and draw horizontal line from A dash point. Right? Why? Because they are given inclination with vertical plane, inclination with horizontal plane. Inclination with horizontal plane, how much? 60 degree. Now A is fixed from A point. Measure this inclination from this point. Put this protractor and make the inclination. So this inclination is how much? 60. And take a distance in compass. True length is how much? 55. Put this needle at A dash point, and here I got a next point, that is B dash point. Now this is a true length, and this true length is how much? This true length is how much? 55. Now this inclination with horizontal plane at an angle of 60 degree. Now this is exactly front view. I need to proceed for top view. A point is fixed. We can't proceed. From B point, when I draw projector and it is touches to this horizontal line, I got to which point? D point. So this A to B point, that is nothing but top view, and top view also known as a plan length. Top view is also known as a plan length. Now theta point is finished. Now next is phi. Phi means inclination with vertical plane. Where is vertical plane? When I am looking from top side. So if I incline this line to vertical plane, I am looking from top side. So who is inclined? Vertical plane is line is inclined. On where is occurs? Top view occurs. Now this phi is equal to 40 not 30 degree inclination, right? So A to B distance is how much? So 55 mm, right? So this true length is equal to 55 mm, right? Now front view, top view occurs. For this particular true length top view, I need to find out front view. How? From B point, when I extend this projector and it is touches to this horizontal line A dash point, so I got a which point? B1 dash point, and this is perfectly front view, and front view is also known as elevation. Now here I have a true length, here I have a true length. On true length, shall I draw locus? Definitely, sir. On true length, shall I draw locus? Definitely. So this is the locus of which point? So this is the locus of which point? B point, and this is the locus of B dash point. Now where is the front view? Here is the front view. Take a distance in compass. How much? A dash to B1 dash point, and make the arc towards the how much? Make the arc towards the which line? True length line. So locus line. So here I got a this point. Now when I draw this, so this is a front view, and front view is exactly perpendicular to reference line. So here alpha is directly given, that is how much? 90 degree. Why this has happened? Because as per one case, theta plus phi is equal to 60 degree. Sorry, theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree. If this situation is happened, theta is 60 degree and phi is 30 degree. Both addition is how much? 90 degree. And if this situation is happened, front view and top view is exactly perpendicular to reference line. So if front view and top view is perpendicular, it means that alpha is equal to how much? 90 degree, and beta is equal to how much? 90 degree. So same situation is happen for alpha and proceed for beta. So when I take a inclination towards this line and when I produce an arc, it is exactly touches to this point. Now I got a which point? Top view point. So this is a top view. This is a B point. This is a B point. And measure this inclination from horizontal plane. That is nothing but beta. And this beta is equal to how much? 90 degree. So as per given condition, if situation is happen, which one? Theta plus phi is equal to 90 degree, then your front view and top view is exactly 90 degree. Hence proved. Thank you. So this is a particular solution for question number 10. Okay. Front view and top view is completed. From A point, take a 10 mm from this side. From A, take a 10 mm from this side. Now extend this line x1 y1 line. This x1 y1 line is known as the reference line. Now from reference line, draw 45 inclination line. Take the benefit of top view. So extend this projector from 45 inclination line, and after that moving downward upward direction. Now take the benefit of front view. Take the benefit of front view. Here is A projector. Here is A corresponding projector. So this is A double dash. Where is a B projector? Here is a B projector. So this is which point? B double dash. When I join A dash, A double dash and B double dash. So this is what? Right hand side view or left hand side view? Right hand side view on which plane? Profile plane. So this is a three view: front view, top view and side view. What they want? They want three view. And based on our assumption, this is your question number 10 number solution. Thank you.
The distance between the end projectors of the PQ is 60 mm.
Distance between end projector. Projector distance is given. Projector distance how much? 60 mm. Fine. Next.
Elevation and plan of light is inclined at an angle of 35 and 55 with x.
Means alpha is equal to elevation angle and beta also given. How much? Alpha is equal to how much? 35 degrees and beta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. Fine. Next.
Draw the projection of the line if the end Q is 20 mm above HP.
End Q is 20 mm above the HP. 20 mm above the HP. This is Q dash or Q? Q dash. Front view later, it is denoted by dash. Fine. Next.
End P is 25 millimeters in front of it.
End P is 25 millimeter in front of VP. It is moving downward direction. So this is P or P dash? P. Right. Next.
Find first angle made by true length with HP.
Angle made by true length with HP. It is denoted by theta. Next.
Second angle made by true length with VP.
Angle made by vertical plane. It is denoted by phi.
And find true length.
And find true length. So TL is equal to how much? So these three things they want. Now how to proceed? And they want three view? No. So they want front view and top view. How to deal with this? When I draw reference line, look at this. So reference line, after completing reference line, so this is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. On vertical plane, which view? Front view. On horizontal plane, which view? Top view. Now next thing is draw faint projector. Now they are strictly mentioned. Distance between two projector. I have how many projector? Two projector. How many points? P and Q points. That's why I need a how many projector? Two projector. When I draw one projector, now distance between another projector, how much? 60. Here is a P projector. So this is a projector of P. And next projector I want. So distance between two projector is how much? 60. So here is a 60 mm. So distance between two projector is 60 mm. And this is a projector of Q. So Q projector. Right. Now this position is completed. Now Q dash is 20 mm above the HP. Q dash is 20 mm above the HP. Now here is Q dash projector, Q projector, here is Q. From 20 mm above HP. So here is a Q dash and this Q dash is how much? 20 mm above the HP. Fine? No any issue. Now from Q dash point, draw horizontal line. Now P point is in front of VP. How much? P point in front of VP. How much? 25 mm. So P is 25 mm. So here is a P and in front of VP how much? So this is 25 mm. Fine. Now from P point, when I draw faint line, Why I draw front line? Because they are given alpha and beta angle. Now alpha angle is front view angle or top view angle? Front view angle. And where is front view? Here is front view. I have a one point. Which point? Q dash point. And take a inclination from this side. Inclination is how much? 35. And when I extend this projector and it is touches to another projector, I got to which point? Q dash point, sorry, P dash point or Q dash point? P dash point. Initially I have a Q dash point. And based on which value? Alpha value. So alpha value is how much? Alpha is equal to 35 degrees. Am I right? So based on 35 degrees, I got to which point? P dash point and Q dash point. This P dash point and Q dash point is known as a front view. Am I right? Right. Next, in top view, P point is visible. But where is Q? Q is somewhere. With the help of which point? Beta value. So beta value. When I take a inclination, this inclination is how much? 45 inclination. Take a 45 inclination, and when I extend this line and it is touches to Q projector, I got to which point? Q point. So P to Q point, this is nothing but top view. Initially I got a front view and later that I got a top view. With the help of which value? Alpha and beta value. So beta value is how much? 45 inclination line. Now you already seen front view and top view initially horizontal, and later that it is inclined to locus point. Now here what happened? This front view and top view is already rotating position. We need to transmit to the horizontal line. How? Now take a distance in compass. Which one? P dash point and Q dash point, and make it horizontal. Which point? P point. So here I got a P dash point. Now this front view and this front view is exactly equal, definitely equal. So nomenclature is same. Nomenclature is same. So this is front view, definitely this is front view. So this front view is now it is parallel. Right? Now next thing is here this top view also inclined. So you need to provide horizontal line. So how? So take a distance in compass. Which one? P to Q, and extend this line horizontal and make the arc towards this P point. So this is P. P to Q point. This is what? This is what? Top view. Now I have a top view, I have a front view. From P point, where is locus? Here is locus. Now, why locus? Alpha is predefined. How much? Alpha is 35. Beta is 45. How much? 45. So it is predefined. Shall I draw locus on front view and top view? Definitely. If anything is predefined, so we need to draw a locus. So in front view, if I draw locus, and in top view, if I draw locus, then with the help of this P point, so top view occurs. When I extend this line towards the locus, I got to which point? So this is P dash point, this is P1 dash point. And when I join P1 dash point and Q point, I got a which value? True length value. So this is a true length. Here I have a top view. So this is a true length which is inclined to horizontal plane, and based on this I got a top view. So this inclination with horizontal line, it is denoted by theta. Right? Now same thing here also. Front view. Here is a front view. When I extend this projector downward direction and it is touches to top view projector or top view locus, and when I join, this is a P1, and when I join P1 and Q, so this inclination is nothing but phi. Now I got a which value? Theta value. I got a which value? Phi value. So this blue line is known as again true length. Now respond me, this true length and this true length is same or different? Same. Just 1 minute, madam. True length and true length. This is a true length and this is true length. Now what they want? They want true length, and measure this with the help of scale. Fine? Okay. So this is a particular solution of question number 12. Fine. Thank you.